Most drivers have no idea how many hidden tricks are built into their cars. Tricks that can save time, money, and in some cases, prevent massive repair bills. And the wild part is this: one of these simple hacks can actually stop early engine damage before it happens. Yet most people drive for years without ever discovering a single one of these secrets. Today, that changes. Because once you learn these 15 overlooked car hacks, you'll never look at your vehicle the same way again. Let's start with one that has stranded millions of drivers without them realizing the fix was hiding right in front of them. 1. The hidden keyhole that rescues you. When your fob dies, imagine this. You're walking back to your car after work, you hit the unlock button, and nothing happens. The fob is dead. No blinking lights, no beep, no door unlock. Most people panic, assuming they need a locksmith or roadside service. But what almost nobody realizes is that modern cars hide a physical keyhole inside the driver's door handle, a backup ignition in your own car. Look closely at the handle. There's usually a small plastic cap that blends in perfectly with the design. Pop that cap off with your emergency key. Yes, that tiny metal key built into your fob. And the real keyhole appears. Turn it, and your door unlocks instantly, even if your battery is completely drained. Electronic locks fail, but this mechanical fallback never does. Drivers have spent hundreds on locksmiths because they never knew this existed, and it's been there the whole time. But that's just the first hidden feature automakers didn't bother telling you about. The next one could save you hundreds at a body shop. 2. The $2 Sharpie trick body shops. Hope you never learn a scratch on your bumper or door can drive you insane. Shops will quote you $200 to blend the paint, even for a tiny line that's barely noticeable. But there's a trick that actually works shockingly well, at least from a distance, and it only costs $2. Grab a permanent marker that matches your car's color. Lightly color over the scratch. Let it dry, then buff it with a microfiber cloth. The marker fills the scratch, evens out the contrast, and from a few feet away, the flaw nearly disappears. It's not perfect, and it's not permanent, but it buys you time and stops rust from forming. Plenty of used car resellers quietly use this trick before putting cars on the lot, and they won't tell you because it makes a scratch look 10 times better with zero effort. But while this hack hides flaws, the next one reveals a hidden luxury feature your car already has, but almost nobody uses. 3. The mini fridge, hiding in your dashboard. Most drivers have no clue their car comes with a built-in cooling system, and it's been inches from their hands the entire time. Open your glove box and look inside. In many cars, there's a small round vent or slot connected directly to your AC system. Turn on your air conditioning and cold air flows inside, turning the compartment into a miniature refrigerator. It's perfect for keeping drinks cold, protecting medicine that needs temperature control, or storing snacks that would otherwise melt in the heat. Parents love it. Road trippers swear by it. And the best part is that automakers rarely advertise this feature, so even seasoned drivers never realize it's there. Once you use it on a long drive for the first time, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. But visibility is just as important as convenience, and your headlights are aging faster than you think. 4. The Vaseline headlight trick that mechanics quietly use. Over time, headlights turn cloudy, yellow, and oxidized. You can scrub them with toothpaste, polishing kits, or expensive restorers. But here's the secret most people miss. Once you finish cleaning the headlights, apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly. The Vaseline forms a protective barrier that blocks UV rays, repels water, and stops oxidation from returning quickly. Your headlights stay clearer for longer, without paying for pricey restoration. A single jar of petroleum jelly can protect your headlights for months, sometimes longer, depending on the sun exposure in your area. Detailers use this trick quietly, especially when prepping used cars for sale. It works on rubber seals, chrome, and even wiper blades to prevent cracking. But what happens when your battery is dead and you can't even shift out of park? That's where the next hidden feature comes in. 5. The secret override that unlocks your transmission with no power. Automatic transmissions lock the shifter in park when the car has no power. But what most drivers don't know is that every automatic car comes with a manual override release hidden near the shifter. Look at the base of the center console. You'll find a tiny slot labeled Shift Lock or Shift Release. Open it. Push a key or pen inside, and suddenly the shifter moves into neutral, even with a dead battery. This trick saves people from towing fees, blocked parking spots, and dangerous situations when a car needs to be pushed but won't come out of park. Tow truck operators know about it. Mechanic shops know about it. But drivers? Not usually. And now that you've freed the shifter, it's time to silence one of the most annoying sounds every car eventually makes. 6. The WD-40 door hinge trick that prevents real damage. A squeaky door hinge isn't just annoying, it's metal grinding against metal. Every squeak is tiny friction damage happening in real time. But the fix is ridiculously easy. One small spray of WD-40. Apply it to the hinge, open the door a few times, and the squeak disappears instantly. No more cringing every time you open your car in a quiet parking lot. But more importantly, this lubrication prevents the hinge pins from wearing down. Left untreated, worn hinges can misalign your door, causing expensive repairs. A $5 can of WD-40 prevents a $300 hinge replacement. But the next hack solves a completely different emergency. Bad jumper cables. 7. Aluminum foil can fix a jump start that won't work. You hook up your jumper cables, wait a minute, try to start the car, and nothing happens. People often assume the battery is too dead, but most failed jump starts happen because the clamps aren't making good contact. Wrap the clamp teeth in aluminum foil. The foil boosts conductivity, fills in gaps, and creates a strong electrical contact, even if your clamps or battery terminals are corroded. This trick has saved countless people stranded with no help nearby. It even helps old clamps grip better because the foil adds bulk and improves surface pressure. But while this trick helps you start your car, the next hack helps thieves break into it, unless you know how to stop them. 8. The coin trick car thieves use, and how to stop it. Car thieves use one of the simplest tricks imaginable: jamming a coin into your door handle. When you hit the lock button on your fob, the mechanism tries to engage, but the coin stops it from locking. You hear the beep, assume everything is secure, and walk away. Minutes later, the thief removes the coin and opens your car like it was never locked. This method is spreading in parking lots because it leaves no broken windows and triggers no alarms. To protect yourself, simply check your handles before you walk away. A single glance prevents a serious headache. And now that your doors are protected, let's talk about a feature that makes driving safer in terrible weather, yet millions don't know it exists. 9. The heated mirrors. You didn't know your car already has on a rainy or freezing morning. Your side mirrors fog up, ice over, or collect water droplets that make it nearly impossible to see. Most drivers either wipe them by hand or suffer from blurred visibility. But many cars already have heated mirrors, and the button that activates them is one you press all the time without realizing it. When you hit the rear defrost button, your back window heats up, and so do your side mirrors. The heating elements melt frost, clear fog, and evaporate water fast. It's a lifesaver in winter, and one of the most overlooked safety features on modern vehicles. Check your climate panel. If you see the defrost icon, chances are your mirrors are already heated, whether you knew it or not. But the next hack is even stranger, and it works better than most cleaners on the market. 10. Why rubbing an apple on your windshield works better than cleaner. Inside your windshield, there's a stubborn, oily film that builds up over time. It's caused by dashboard plastics releasing vapor, combined with dust and humidity. Regular cleaners often smear it around, creating streaks that worsen glare at night. But a sliced apple? That works differently. Apples contain malic acid, a natural, gentle solvent that cuts through oil and breaks down residue without damaging tint or coatings. Rub the cut side of an apple across the inside of the windshield. Wipe it clean with a microfiber towel, and the glass turns incredibly clear. No streaks, no chemical smell, just clean visibility. It's a trick detailers rarely mention, but once you try it, you'll realize how effective natural acids can be. Speaking of natural fixes, the next hack temporarily revives a dying key fob in minutes. 11. The refrigerator trick that boosts a weak key. Fob battery key fobs lose range gradually. At first, you can unlock your car from across the parking lot. Then you need to be closer. Eventually, you're pressing the button right next to the door. But if your battery is weak and you don't have a replacement, here's the temporary fix. Place the key fob in your refrigerator for 10 minutes. Cold temperatures slow the chemical reactions that drain batteries. When chilled briefly, the battery rebounds and outputs slightly more power, giving the fob enough strength to function until you can replace the battery. It won't last long, but in emergencies, this trick has gotten countless people back into their cars when the fob seemed completely dead. And speaking of easy fixes, The next hack makes cleaning your car's interior almost effortless. 12. The lint roller trick that cleans your car better than a vacuum. Pet hair wedged into fabric seats, dust packed into carpets, random crumbs that vacuum hoses can't reach. Cleaning all that usually means paying for a full detail. Unless you have a lint roller. Roll it over seats, carpets, floor mats, and even the headliner. The sticky surface grabs debris, hair, dust, and particles instantly. It's quiet, it's fast, and it works in places vacuum attachments can't reach. Rideshare drivers use this trick constantly. You can clean your entire interior in under 5 minutes, no power source required. But while this hack cleans the surfaces, the next one targets something you smell before you ever see it. 13. The panty liner odor trick that eliminates smells at the source. Mystery odors hide under seats, inside carpet fibers, and around moisture-prone areas. Air fresheners just mask the problem, but this trick actually solves it. Take a panty liner, yes, a simple feminine pad, and place a few drops of essential oil on it. Slide it under the seat. The liner slowly releases fragrance and, more importantly, absorbs moisture and odor-causing particles. It doesn't overpower your senses. It creates a subtle, clean scent that lasts for weeks. Rideshare drivers rely on this hack because it keeps their cars smelling welcoming without choking passengers with artificial scents. But once your car smells great, it's time to make it look great. And this next hack restores shine instantly. 14. The baby oil shine hack that makes your interior look brand new. Baby oil doesn't just moisturize skin. It restores shine to plastic, vinyl, and rubber surfaces inside your car. Wipe it across your dashboard, door panels, and console, and the surfaces come back to life with a deep, clean shine. Why does this work? Because baby oil is mostly mineral oil, the same ingredient used in expensive detailing products. Except now, you're paying a few dollars instead of 20. It conditions surfaces, repels dust, and even helps protect against UV cracking. Used sparingly, it can refresh old interiors and make them look surprisingly fresh again. But nothing is as satisfying as the final hack. One body shop definitely doesn't want you to know. 15. The plunger dent trick that saves you hundreds instantly. Small dents happen in parking lots every day. A careless door swing, a runaway shopping cart, a minor hail dent. Shops charge hundreds to fix them, even though the repair sometimes takes them less than 5 minutes. Before spending $1, try a simple plunger. Wet the rim, press it onto the dent, and pull. The suction equalizes pressure and can pop shallow dents back into place. It doesn't work on deep, creased, or sharp dents. But for the common door ding, this method works surprisingly often. And yes, fresh dents respond best. If the metal hasn't fully settled, there's a much higher chance the plunger pulls it right out. It takes 20 seconds, costs nothing, and could save you hundreds instantly. Conclusion: these hacks change the way you drive. Most drivers go their entire lives never knowing their car hides features, tricks, and emergency tools that can save them money, time, and stress. But now you know what's been hiding in plain sight. From emergency keyholes to secret cooling systems. From natural cleaners to safety features buried in your dashboard. And here's the wild part. These aren't even the most shocking car hacks out there. There are tricks mechanics stay quiet about, because revealing them would cost repair shops millions. If this video opened your eyes or saved you money, hit that subscribe button. Your wallet will thank you later. And when you're ready to learn the next set of secrets mechanics never want you to know, click the video on your screen. You'll be shocked at what they've been hiding.